In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks, or URLs, to a table or matrix in Power BI. Now, this is a fairly straightforward process, but it does require a few specific steps to ensure everything functions properly. Let's dive in and go through this together. First, what you want to do is locate the URL column within the data pane, which is usually situated on the right side of your Power BI interface. This column is where your URLs are stored, and our goal is to make those URLs clickable so they can be easily accessed directly from the Power BI report itself. Once you've found your URL column, the next step is to click on it to select it. With the column selected, your next move is to navigate to the very top of the screen and find the Column Tools option. This is an important tab that allows you to manage and adjust settings specifically related to the columns in your dataset. Under the Column Tools tab, you'll notice a section labeled Properties. Within this section, there's a drop-down menu labeled Data Category. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see a variety of options. For our purpose, you need to select Web URL. This simple selection is crucial because it tells Power BI that this column should be treated as a URL, allowing the entries to become interactive hyperlinks. Now, ideally, after you've made this adjustment, the links in your column should automatically become clickable. This means when you run your report, you or any other user can click on those links and they'll be directed to the appropriate web page, just like clicking on a hyperlink in a web browser. However, if you find that the links aren't immediately working as expected, don't worry. A common issue might be that the hyperlinks aren't formatted correctly. A quick fix for this is to ensure that every link in your column has HTTPS at the beginning. This prefix is essential because it specifies the protocol used to access the web resource, making sure the link is complete and ready to navigate. And there you have it. That covers all you need to know for making URLs clickable in your Power BI tables or matrices. With just a few clicks, your reports will have dynamic links that enhance interactivity and provide a more comprehensive user experience. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful, and remember, the key to successful configuration is paying attention to those small details, like verifying the HTTPS prefix in your URLs. Happy analyzing!